Hi, hello, welcome to another exciting math lesson. Today we're going to be talking about probabilities and subsets. Let's get started. During this lesson, you're going to learn how to describe events as subsets of a sample space using characteristics of the outcomes as unions, intersections, or complements of the other events. Some vocabulary for today. Sample space are all the possibilities or all the possible results or outcomes of an experiment or trial. A subset is a group of values or items from the sample space that usually have something in common. Okay? Outcome is the possible result. So keyword possible result of an experiment. A complement is the probability of an event not occurring. Probability is the likelihood of an event occurring. In decimal form, probability will always be between 0 and 1, and both of those are included. In percent form, it will always be between 0% and 100%, because you cannot have higher than 100% chance of something happening. This whole hoax of giving 110%, it's not possible. You can only give everything that you have. Where's that other 10% coming from? All right, so let's talk about compound events and. Intersections, when you are doing an and comparison, you're looking for where the sets intersect. Suppose you have two sets of numbers. Set A is 4, 5, 6, and 7, and set B is equal to 2, 3, 5, and 7. The intersection of the two sets is noted as A and B, or 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2, 3, 5, 7. So that's how I could ask this question. This would be how I could ask this question, find A and B. When finding an and comparison, you're looking for points that appear in both sets. So the answer to A union B would be 5 and 7. So I see that I have a 5 in both sets, and I have a 7 in both sets. So they appear in both. So that's where my comparison be. That is how I get this answer right there. Comparison, appear in both. There's where the overlap happens. Compound event or. When doing an or comparison, you're looking for numbers that appear at least once of the data sets. So this one appears at least one time. So suppose there are two sets of numbers. Set A, 4, 5, 6, and 7, or B, so we'll say or B, 2, 3, 5, and 7. The intersection of the two sets is noted as A union B, or 4, 5, 6, 7 union 2, 3, 5, 7. So when I'm finding this or comparison, we're looking for points that appear at least one time in each of the sets. So if I did that, all right, 4 appears once, 5 appears once, 6, 7, 2, 3, 5 appears twice, and 7. So I don't necessarily have to hide it or highlight it. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 all appear at least one time. All right, when we're using Venn diagrams is a diagram representing sets and subsets based on common elements represented by the area of the circles or the intersecting circles. So notice how I have all of these numbers right here. They all represent stuff. So the number of people who like PE are in the pink circle. This is represented by this 35. So there are 35 people that like PE. The number of people who like band are in the blue circle right here, and there are 30 of them. The number of people who like both band and PE are in, or PE and band, they're in the center, this overlap, and that's where we get the 20, okay? And the number of people who do not like PE or band are on the outside, 15. They don't like PE or band. So my total subset, I would add all of these numbers up. That is my sample space. Those are the people how many people we polled or we asked this question to. Alright, so let's do an example using Venn diagrams. Using the Venn diagram below, find the number of people who like either PE or band. So or means in or at least one. They like at least one of them, right? So I would say, all right, to find a percentage, we're going to look at the a success. So what we would consider success, so that would be someone that likes either PE or band divided by the total number of people. Okay, so how many people like PE or band? So that would be 35 plus 20 plus 30. All of these people like at least one of PE or band divided by my total number. So 35 plus 20 plus 30 plus 15. Okay, I'm going to type this into my calculator and see what we get. 35 plus 20 plus 30 divided by 35 plus 20 plus 30 plus 15. And we get a 0.25 or 25% chance that someone's going to like either PE or band. That number seems really off. Should be a lot higher. Oh, that's because I put in the number wrong. I put a negative 30. Alright, let's look. 85%. That looks a lot better. So it is 0.85 or 85%. Now you try, using the Venn diagram below, find the number of people who like either PE and band. So the keyword here is and. Alright, so hopefully you got the right answer. Let's go through it real quick. My and, so they like PE and band. It has to be the combo. So it's going to be 20 over 35 plus 20 plus 30 plus 15. It's that total number. So we're going to check this out here. I get 20 divided by 35 plus 20 plus 30 plus 15. We're going to get equals 0.2 or 20% chance that someone likes PE and band. Okay, complements of probabilities. A complement of a probability is the probability of an event not occurring. Okay, probability of an event not occurring. So the complement of an event A is called the complement of A. There are many symbols to notate this. I think that I only use this one. So if you see an event and then you see a C behind it, it means what is the event that it does not occur. Let's look at how we would do this. Using the Venn diagram below, if A represents the event that someone likes PE, find the probability of A complement. So we're looking for the probability of someone that does not like PE. Well, these people like PE, and we also know that those people like PE. So I have these 30 that do not like PE, and these 15, all divided by my total, 35 plus 20 plus 30 plus 15. Let's type that in the calculator and see what we get. I'm going to go 30 plus 15 divided by 35 plus 20 plus 30 plus 15. And we get 0.45 or 45% of people do not like PE. So that's what this complement means. Now you try. So using the Venn diagram below, if B, so we're saying if event B represents the event that someone likes band, find the probability of B complement. Okay, so these people like band, and these people like band. We want to find not like band. So that's 35 and 15. 35 people don't like band and another 15 over the total. 35 plus 20 plus 30 plus 15. Let's type that in the calculator. 35 plus 15 divided by 35 plus 20 plus 30 plus 15. That gets me 0.5, or 50% of people do not like band. Okay, Jenny goes to the store to look for a new purse. Let J represent the probability of her purchasing a purse. The probability of her purchasing a purse is 35%, or 0.35, or 35%. Find the probability of J complement. All right. So if this is the probability right here of her buying a purse, the probability of her not buying a purse would be everything else to 100%, right? So all we would do is we would take that 100% and we would subtract the 35% and do a little borrowing here. We get 5. 65% chance of Jenny not buying a purse. All right, that's it. If you have any questions about this lesson, please come and talk to me. I'd be happy to help you out. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.